Hello everyone, welcome back to Students Homeopathy, and let's learn together. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important remedy from Nash's Leaders in Homeopathic Therapeutics, phosphorus. Phosphorus is often suited to individuals with certain physical and emotional characteristics. Here are the main points. 1. Physical appearance and personality. The person is usually tall, slender, and narrow-chested. They may look delicate, with soft hair and fine eyelashes. These individuals may be nervous, weak, or feel better when they are magnetized, calmed by touch or presence of others. 2. Restlessness and anxiety. They feel anxious and restless and cannot stay in one place for long. Their anxiety gets worse in the dark, when they are alone, or before a thunderstorm. 3. Burning sensations. There is a burning feeling in various parts of the body, including the mouth, stomach, intestines, anus, and between the shoulder blades. The heat often starts in the hands and spreads to the face. 4. Craving for cold things. They crave cold food and drinks, especially ice cream, which agrees with them. They may drink cold water, but it gets vomited as soon as it warms up in the stomach. 5. Need to eat. Often. They feel faint if they don't eat frequently, and may even need to get up at night to eat. 6. Weakness and fainting sensation. There's a sinking, empty, faint feeling in the head, chest, stomach, and abdomen. 7. Cough and breathing issues. The cough gets worse at twilight or midnight, and when lying on the left side, but improves when lying on the right side. The right lower part of the lung is usually affected. 8. Diarrhea. Diarrhea is profuse, with watery stools that pour out like from a hydrant. Sometimes the stool contains particles like sago, starchy granules, or may feel like dysentery, bloody or mucus stools, with a wide open feeling in the anus. 9. Sluggishness and apathy. The person feels apathetic, doesn't want to talk, answers slowly, and moves sluggishly. 10. Constipation. The stool is long, dry, tough, and hard like a dog's stool, and it is passed with great difficulty. 11. Bleeding tendency, hemorrhagic diathesis. They have a tendency to bleed easily and heavily from small wounds. There may be bleeding from the lungs, hemoptysis, uterus, metrorrhagia, or vicarious bleeding from other organs, like the nose or stomach, when menstruation is absent. 12. Larynx and voice problems. Talking becomes difficult because the larynx is very painful. Cough worsens when going from warm to cold air, or from laughing, talking, reading, eating, or lying on the left side. So that's a quick look at phosphorus from Dr. Nash's Leaders in Homeopathic Therapeutics. We hope this has helped you understand its key characteristics and how it can be used in homeopathic practice. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel Students Homeopathy for more informative and educational videos on homeopathy. Don't forget to click the bell icon and select all to stay notified about our latest content. Also, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop your comments below and feel free to ask any questions you may have. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.